Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Malwarebytes offline installer. Perfect if you're setting up a PC without internet or need to install it multiple times without re-downloading. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Malwarebytes download page as shown here. Once you enter that address and press enter, the download will begin. After the file is downloaded, double-click the installer, or you can open it from here. You can just click on Install and go with the default options, or you can click on Advanced options and change settings like installation location. Decide whether it's for personal or business use. You can skip this part if you want. Browser Guard by Malwarebytes is a browser extension designed to enhance your web browsing security. It's not malware or antivirus software by itself, but rather an add-on for web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. The installation has started. Just wait for it to complete. Once installed, you can activate a premium license if you have one, or just use the free version. It may be later to immediately check your system for malware. Even without an internet connection, it will use the included definitions. And that's it. You've successfully installed Malwarebytes using the offline installer. This is super useful for troubleshooting infected PCs or installing without internet. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.